Welcome to Clean Carnivore, where we keep health simple, clean, and rooted in truth. Every video here is built on careful research, personally authored for this channel and enhanced with images that make the message easier to see and understand. AI tools help bring the visuals to life, but the ideas, the words, and the care are always human. Most people think carnivore is just about weight loss. But weight loss? That's only the beginning. The truth is, carnivore is a lifestyle, and it changes everything.
Oops, hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button. Click to subscribe now and ding the bell, so you won't miss any coming attractions. It really helps spread the message to those who need it and want it.
This is part 3 of our series, Carnivore is Not Just a Diet. Today we're moving beyond food to explore how carnivore gives you clarity, freedom, and control over your life. Yes, carnivore burns fat, but it also eliminates cravings, stabilizes blood sugar, and restores energy. Brain fog clears, mood improves, and inflammation drops. It's not about chasing the scale, it's about unlocking energy and focus you didn't know you had. Imagine waking up refreshed after a full night's sleep, your mind clear and ready for the day. You move with purpose, feeling stronger and more active than ever before. Each step is lighter, your energy steady and reliable. As the day unfolds, you notice your focus is razor sharp. Tasks that once felt overwhelming now come easily. You're more present with loved ones, more engaged in your work, and more motivated to pursue what matters. This is the transformation carnivore brings. Better sleep, increased activity, mental sharpness, and a sense of overall wellness that radiates through every part of your life. You find yourself eager to move, walking, stretching, or enjoying a favorite activity outdoors, feeling the freedom in your body. Your mind feels sharp and alert, able to focus deeply and solve problems with ease. Altogether, you experience a renewed sense of wellness, inside and out, living a life that feels vibrant, balanced, and truly transformed. Carnivore is simple. No meal prep marathons, no counting calories, no macros, fewer grocery trips, fewer food decisions, fewer supplements. You save time, save money, and free your mind from food obsession. With carnivore, life becomes lighter. You spend less time worrying about food and more time enjoying peaceful moments, nature, and the things that truly matter. Simplicity brings mental freedom. Your mind is clear, your routines are calm, and you feel liberated from the noise of endless choices. This is the power of living simply and the gift of a carnivore lifestyle. For thousands of years, humans thrived on real animal-based nutrition. Modern disease exploded when fake, processed food replaced ancestral staples. Carnivore reconnects you with the fuel your body was designed to run on. Our ancestors hunted, gathered, and shared meals around the fire, nourishing their bodies with nutrient-dense foods that built strong minds and resilient communities. Over generations, this wisdom was passed down, until modern life introduced processed foods, stripping away the nutrients our bodies crave. Today, we have the power to reclaim our health by returning to the foods that shaped us. Real, whole animal-based nutrition that supports energy, healing, and longevity. By honoring our roots and choosing foods that align with our biology, we unlock the strength, clarity, and vitality that our ancestors enjoyed, bringing ancient wisdom into our modern lives. Carnivore isn't about rules, it's about freedom. Freedom from cravings, food addiction, and corporate control. A community and lifestyle that promotes strength, vitality, and independence. Visual celebration of carnivore benefits. Active, vital people outdoors, community joy, and independence. Carnivore means living life fully, surrounded by supportive community, enjoying freedom and vitality every day. Carnivore is not a fad, it's not restrictive. It's the simplest, most powerful lifestyle for health and freedom. The standard American diet was built to keep you weak. Carnivore was built by nature to make you strong. If you're ready to break free, this is your call. Subscribe for more Clean Carnivore. I am committed to fresh, engaging, and provocative content, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by 6 a.m. Pacific Time. Bonus content will appear on odd days, so check back frequently in case you might have missed something.